Happy Halloween, everyone. I got one question for you. Trick? Or treat? Let's do it!
So how this is gonna work is we got the wheel of trick or treat. Every time we throw off the tee, we're gonna roll it. We're gonna spin the wheel blindly, so we don't know what we're gonna get. So if we get treat, we get the opportunity to get a candy bar. If we birdie it, we get a big size, the king size, some say.
Get a par, you're just getting one of these little treats, which is still yummy.
Yeah, it's still a treat. It's still good.
If you get a trick,
oh no,
you're gonna get blasted.
Unknowingly.
However, if you still manage to somehow get the par and have nerves of steel, you're still gonna get rewarded with one of these little treats.
Because you earned it.
So let's see.
So everybody wins on Halloween.
Let's see who gets the biggest bag of treats. Let's try it out.
So we're gonna be playing 3 holes. This hole, straight into the grove of trees. And I'm going first, right? So someone get that air horn ready, point it at me, and I'm gonna get some candy. That was a super spin.
Just stand on the tee pad. Don't look at it. Don't look at our reactions. When it stops spinning, you're good to go.
That was so loud.
When it's pointed at you, it's really loud.
It was like, ow. That was so loud when it's pointed at you.
By the way, you still get it on putt and approach. You get it on every shot.
You get it on
Good luck.
every shot?
Oh no.
Good luck.
Well, now you know though. Now he knows. That.
Yeah, but
Once
still,
you-
like putting with someone blaring an
that-
air horn in your face doesn't sound fun.
Alright. Come on, Wheel. Be good to me. Give me some candy. Give me
Okay,
some candy.
go
All the good
stand.
trash.
Go get over there.
Yay! A bad shot, but yay! No air horn. I had a bad shot. I was anticipating that air horn.
Yep. Oh man.
So actually you got tricked.
It messed me up. I'll be honest. Just the anticipation. Like, oh my god.
Oh, that was a really good one.
The good rip.
Yeah, just good anticipation is kind of freaky.
You can shuffle your feet to scare him some more.
The fake trick. Taking my doom down.
Oh, nice.
Whip.
Yeah, backside,
Get the
birdie
big
putt?
bar.
backdoor
Dang.
putt.
Yeah, I literally threw quick. I don't know why you throw quicker, but yeah. Good luck, Peter.
Okay. Oh, my ears aren't ready for this. Dang it. Oh!
Get in the basket.
Oh my goodness!
Oh!
Holy
Dang!
cow!
We should bring an air horn to every tournament round Peter plays.
Yeah,
up
every
every
single time.
We get some courtesy violations
Man.
on that if we.
I'm rolling on a little sleep and I am awake now, everybody. Holy cow.
Not bad.
The putting is going to be worse than anything else.
Yeah, for sure.
I know it's coming though, so it's not too bad.
Good layup.
Got all the way through those trees. I'll get candy. I'll get some candy.
That's
I
fine.
get to eat.
This is for a big candy bar. This is important. You didn't want the big candy bar bad enough.
Oh my god.
We're not going to do it. We don't need to do it on Travis.
Watch me.
Oh, football. That's a Texas Road. I mean, Peter's putt is the nervy one.
Yeah. For your birdie.
This is for a candy. I know we said pars, but we meant birdies.
I'm gonna give him some incentive here. Here's some incentive.
Candy in hand, bag on back,
How long
air
until
horn
the
in
cops?
face.
How long until the cops come?
Hopefully we'll be gone by then.
I think we should give Peter the big candy bar because he had an ace run.
If he got an ace, he would have gotten a big candy.
There we go. Aces on treats, give him
You got-
candy.
you
You
got
guys
a
are,
trick.
you guys suck.
I want the candy for
Oh my
myself.
gosh.
Which one?
I'm never coming to your house. You probably give out toothpaste.
What do you got? We got Three
Apples.
Musketeers, Milky Way Midnights, some Milky Way Snickers and Twix.
Twix, please.
Making me dig.
My gosh.
There you go.
Oh, jeez.
Almost worked.
I'll take a Snickers.
Where's those Milky Way Midnights?
What'd be funny is to do this by weight of the candy, and so you kind of want to go for the heavy candy. I don't know what's heavy.
What?
Dark chocolate wins every time.
You're insane.
Dark chocolate's heavier, right?
You're the type of kid who weighs his candy against his brother to see who got more.
Yeah, for sure.
You guys would know.
I got more every time.
All right, Peter, you up?
Yeah, the next hole is it's right down there. So, trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Happy Halloween.
I'm really looking for one of those big candy bars.
Big candy bars.
See what I got.
That's kind of the downside of
getting
if
tricked.
you get tricked, you don't get a big candy bar.
So,
Dude, slow down.
it's slowing down.
Use your ears, listen.
He's more mad about the candy.
I know, he is more mad about the
I
candy.
am.
Look at that guy.
I'm gonna hit that pot.
You gotta get that candy,
I mean,
baby.
You have a candy, so.
Did you already eat it?
No. Not about it, but no.
Have some self-control.
What am I gonna? Now I'm gonna starve. Who's up?
Not me.
I mean, I'll go.
It's fine.
I guess there's only 3 holes. There's only 3 opportunities to get tricked for each person.
You'll get tricked. You'll see. Yeah,
Am I
we'll
lucky?
get you.
I might be lucky.
Lucky ducky.
the basket.
Ooh.
Ah.
Right over it.
Yeah,
Dang, dude.
really high.
That is a great shot.
Awesome
Got another treat. Let's go.
Big candy bar. He can do it.
We can do it.
Let's
Someone has
go.
to get a big candy
Trick
bar,
or
right?
treat. Jeez.
Roll.
And a gallon. Nice air horn and scream.
I was going for a little
Ogre?
Crash Bandicoot.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Bootlegger.
That's not very nice. That's extremely like disparaging. I mean, hearing it and being like,
Oh.
no big candy bar, and now not even really a good shot at a little candy
Maybe
bar.
Not at all.
I
When?
mean, you could run it.
All right. Odds say treat.
Yeah, the odds have been
Yeah.
they've been kind.
Yeah. Line up the shot. Line up the shot. Line up the shot. The witch fingers got me. And the air horn, I guess. Yeah.
It's hard to like commit to a shot
Yeah.
when it blows in your
And you're all
head.
shuffling your feet, and I'm like, I'm dead. And then I'm like, no, I'm not. And then I'm dead. All right. Whatever. I feel so bad about this stupid echo. It's so loud.
Ah, no little candy bar. I got one Three Musketeer Midnight, but I won all of them.
At least you got a tap in, so you,
Yeah.
you don't really need to get air horn. Oh, he got doubled.
I got
Tried
you
to go for the
He
double.
faked me.
I tried to go for the fake. He thinks he knows my putt, but
Yeah, I know Ron's putt. As soon as he went like, I was like, oh, he's dead. I got him. He goes, can you believe this guy with the trailer just razzing me like that?
I know.
the heck's that about?
Talking about trick or treat, trick or trailer.
What a
Treat or trailer. Oh!
I wanted some candy, man.
The Candyman can.
Oh, sorry.
This is a pressure putt.
No big candies.
Just baby candies.
I get a treat.
What are you dressed as? A YouTuber?
A snowflake. So,
Whoa.
I'm taking a Three Musketeers.
That's not what he meant, guys. That's not what he
No, I was meaning because this thing is so white. It is blinding white,
Nice.
especially in the sun.
That was amazing. Speaking of which, we're dressed up as Pop Top subscribers. You should subscribe because it would be awesome. We got a lot of things coming. We're really excited. Oh gosh, don't hurt me. Oh man, what a flinch. You flinched
Air horn
so
for
bad.
flinching.
Oh my gosh. Anyway,
I've gotten treat both times.
so Trick is coming.
I just feel it.
We should just trick him anyway.
The ticking. The time bomb.
Oh yeah.
That is so far left.
Watch out, biker.
That is so loud. I'm so sorry. Rip headphone users.
Dang. Burp, burp, burp. Burp.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Treat, 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 treat.
Oh no.
Ordered it.
Get up. That was your one
Oh,
chance at it.
that's a guaranteed little candy bar,
That's true. That's a good way to look at it.
but that's gonna be a big putt, big candy bar. That's what I'm gonna do.
Ooh.
None of us are getting. I guess that if none of us get the big candy bar, I guess they have to wait until next year.
Absolutely.
Those candy bars are gonna just sit
Yeah,
and wait.
that box of candy bars is just gonna sit, and I got a spare cupboard. You know.
Oh yeah, you
that's
do.
what I
So do I
I got
actually.
I got spare cupboard.
Yeah,
like,
so do
right
I,
next
though.
to my oven. I'm sure if I just keep it there all year, that
Yeah, we don't all have kids.
Let's be honest. Those candies are going to be gone by the time you get home.
Justice. Yeah, totally.
Oh, dang. You guys didn't give me any room for running.
Go in the basket. Skip off. I held that one down.
Yeah, you did.
How do you?
It's rigged, I say.
How do you throw better? You got tricked every time.
I did.
He was getting tricked. He got tricked.
I don't even know what it's on.
hey, simmer.
Except he threw it like 100 long.
I didn't even mean to. I don't know why I went driver.
No big.
Yeah.
I was wondering that. He picked up driver. I was like,
It's all about these two putts.
You gotta get the big candy bar.
Big candy bar.
Big candy bar.
big candy
Big
bar.
candy bar.
Big candy bar!
Give me that big candy bar. Mmm, so yummy.
Go!
Woo! Oh man. Yes.
Heck yeah.
Can we get a back-to-back big candy bar?
Big candy
That's a
bar.
far putt. He did go like 120 past.
Big candy bar. Big candy bar.
That's like
Big candy bar.
Big brand new car? Get that. Oil run. What's that, air horn?
Aye.
I thought Ron was actually gonna catch it.
I thought he was gonna tap it in. Thought it was an alley oop. Alley oop.
Ooh, Can Jam. Can Jam pudding tournament coming soon.
Oh jeez.
Where we tap ourselves.
With drivers.
Oh, I left it short.
Did you see that little foot twitch? I did. Well, the camera did it. The camera did it.
I did not get his
But-
feet.
He was
Sorry
startled.
for all the
He was startled.
feet people out there.
He tried hard though. He tried. Like he had some great shots. He had the air horn.
Every time and
Majority-
still threw really good shots.
Good job, Peter. I'm proud of you.
Yeah.
You know what I'm also proud of? I'm proud of being the only one to get a big candy bar. Eat it. Oh no, I'll eat it. Yeah. Oh.
Okay, now you gotta eat the whole thing while doing the outro. Just kidding. Don't do that.
So,
You actually have to
no,
share
don't
it
do
with
that.
your sister. Sorry.
she lives so far away.
You just cut it in half and mail it.
All right.
Bye.
Hope you enjoyed. Have a happy Halloween.
Oh my gosh.
Three Musketeers is your first. That's right.
It's my second favorite candy bar.
I like candy. Enjoy
What are
eating
you
all your.
guys
Wait.
Kids these days. See you next time.